The Shapalat Council. Run, Yumak, run! Zuzu finally finished my wristband! Ah!
Hello there, Neşe.
Good afternoon, Zuzu. So, what does it look like? Can I see it?
I haven't finished it yet.
Not finished yet?
I've just started making it. Look here.
Then when will it be done?
It won't take long. You just have to be patient a while longer.
Okay, I can be patient. I'm being patient. So, is it done yet?
Not even close, Neşe.
Maybe you're almost finished?
I'm going as fast as I can, Neşe.
That mean it's done? It looks great.
Not yet, Neşe. Unfortunately, the thread rolled around my finger. Then it got ripped.
Oh, it's because of me. I was being impatient. I'm so sorry, Zuzu.
It's quite all right, Neşe.
Zuzu, if you finish my sister's wristband, can you make one for me as well?
Of course, Mutlu. But for that, I'm going to need somewhere calm and quiet.
Sure thing, Zuzu. Whatever you want.
This must be Minnie and Manny. Hello, my galactic friends.
Neşe, the Shapalat Council is sending a spaceship to Earth.
It's an invasion ship. Wait a second. I'm not following you.
All right, I'll make it simple. The tree Shapalat we caught has escaped. Then it went to the Shapalat planet and assembled the entire Shapalat Council, then told them about Earth. The Shapalat Council decided to send the ship to Earth. Long story short, Neşe, the space viruses are coming to your home planet.
Did you say space viruses? Someone help!
It's our duty to stop this.
You're right, Neşe, but we don't have much time. The ship has already taken off.
Well, as of right now, I can't see anything in the sky. So we still have time to prepare ourselves.
Those ships are really fast, Neşe. They'll be there in a couple of hours.
So, do you know where they are now?
We do. We tracked them on the space radar.
All right. I have an idea. But first I need to use the medallion. Wait for me. I'll be right back. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Wait for me here, Yumak. I have something to do up there. Ah! I still can't get used to flying this thing.
We are near the Shapalat ship, Neşe.
We are going to try to stop it with the green beam.
No. Don't do anything yet. The Shapalats shouldn't see you.
But Neşe, we need to do something.
I told you, I have a really good idea. We can hack their system and switch Earth's location around on their space maps.
So then, you mean we can send the Shapalats to somewhere else they assume as Earth?
That's exactly right.
Great idea, but how are we supposed to sneak all stealthy-like onto their ships?
Don't worry, leave that to me. I know how to sneak with the best of them.
Then let's all meet on the ship.
Is this a good idea, Manny? What if they recognize us?
And, how are we supposed to speak? I don't know the Shapalashan language.
Boogaloo, my Shapalachan is good. I can communicate just fine. I said don't worry.
Take your positions. Here we go.
They really think we are true blue Shapalats.
Hush! Let's keep quiet.
What is it saying? Do you understand?
Shh.
We need to hack the map system of the ship.
No worries, Neşe. Let's first find the control room.
Okay.
Hush. I think this may be the control room.
Let's go inside.
Neşe, not yet. Wait a minute.
We can't just walk in.
But we don't have much time left. We need to hurry. After all, they think we're actually Shapalats like them.
What is Neşe doing? You can't enter the room without permission. Oh, she shouldn't have rushed into this.
She repeats whatever the Shapalat says. They'll get she isn't a real Shapalat.
Oops! I shouldn't have rushed into this.
We don't have any time, Manny. We gotta get that map.
Look there! The map system is right over there!
Huh? It's okay. We got this.
What is happening?
Check it. You're gonna land on the dry planet, assuming that it's Earth.
That was some acting, Manny. You were just like him.
And you did masterfully, Minnie.
So tell me, did you get to the map? This is all my fault. I rushed things. Yet again. Me and my rushing into stuff.
Shh. Be quiet, Neşe. Let's get out of here. Then we'll talk.
Okay. I'd like to see the Shapalats landing on the dry planet they think is gonna be my home planet, Earth.
They're gonna be in for quite a surprise.
My dear Yumak, did you miss me, boy?
Hey, sis, is the Shapalat invasion ship still coming? Hey, ya! Yo! Those annoying Shapalats, they better get the picture.
It's all good, Mutlu. The Shapalats are not coming to Earth.
Ha ha ha! Yeah, they freaked out and fled the galaxy.
Actually, we switched Earth's location on the Shapalat map.
They are now heading for the dry planet, assuming that it's your planet.
Neşe, in your absence, Zuzu made a wristband for me.
Ah, this is lovely, Mutlu.
And I finished the one for you, Neşe.
Zuzu! Thank you so much, Zuzu!
Take a look. Tell me if you like it.
Zuzu, think you can make one for me too?
Hey, I want one too!
Of course I can, but first I need to get some rest. I've been making wristbands all day long.
You are right, Zuzu. No need to rush anything. When we rush things, problems always follow.
How about that? That's great to hear, Neşe.
Many, they come from somewhere very far. Many, they came to see all new things. Every moment